Yeah, all about faith. My name is Junior Chabokanye. Yeah, no, we are proudly sponsored by WSP. Yeah, it is TV, it is Kitam, and Petu Benedict Sofilalas, the legendary himself. So, how was the game, my brother?
Athi ngibulise wena chairman, ngibulise
Sure.
Stizi, ngibulise uMsenkewu, ngibulise uBobo Khadoso, ngibulise noLindo Mkwena, ngibulise nanemakhaya.
Abasaba
Can support
be-TikTok.
njalo la ku Diski TV.
Aba
Zobeka nje
be-TikTok.
njalo ngijike futhi. Lenza ama TikTok bayashoot.
Yeah.
Nge-3 nje le. Hey madoda esinkingeni man, yalala. Junior, mfethu you know when we are a big team, you've got big players, good players that they can come in and make a difference. Well done to Sundowns. Well done, Gabrielo. Let me give you a credit. You guys played against Mackenzie. That was also there in the game, trying to make things difficult for you guys. Coach John Maduka, I think he worked very hard to prepare for the game. And I believe that, for justice sake, I think he deserves one goal because he created, I think very good chances, especially second half. He created good chances that I think one of them was supposed to be a goal. But nevertheless, Sundowns, you make a mistake. These things, Junior, I always talk about this. That you can have a game, you play a game. In an open game, you're trying, you don't get to that final third, you're trying, maybe you miss, and then you get set pieces. When you get set pieces, you must punish. And that's what Sundowns they do. You make a mistake. Look at the first goal. The first goal, Matthews, it went across, Yafika Lapana, Umurena. I don't know where Umurena was crossing or was taking a shot, but it just came across, and then well done to go Uletlaku, a beautiful goal, a score. And then again, Renas is a goal scorer. I mean, one thing that when you've got Renas, that you must know is that when the ball comes to the box, is there, he's gonna put it in. Good goal, good cross. It was not even a cross. It was a switch from Obas. Umurena makes a very good run on the right side, and then he got it, good touch. Put it back for Renas or Renas finish. Another one. Before ngizokhuluma ngicede ngamagoli kuqala before ngizokhuluma. There was a foul. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngayifoul ukuthi enzakale kanjani. That's why ngithi ngiseza lapho. There's a foul. Again, they put the ball in the box. Or Nas wadla foot. 3. Beautiful. Those are goals that you can see ukuthi basebenzile ngayo lezinto lezi ejimini ukuthi if the ball goes this position, I need to be here. So and so needs to go there, and then you put it in. Then it's in. Set pieces, I go first pole, and then I'm going to touch it. And well done to them.
So, mfethu, one ngicela ucoach Michael Cardoso go back to this game abukele review yale game. Ngamanye amagama, you need to trust these young players.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma ngokuhlwane lihlako,
Yeah.
Mapena as well.
Yeah.
You need to trust them. Can you trust those boys? I think these boys today, kube ne-impact eBhayi.
Yeah.
I mean, the other one scored, which is Ukali came, Ukutlwane Litlako. The other one came in and changed the game for him.
Yeah.
Going to the game. So, I believe as South African, we don't give credit where it's due. Mamelodi Sundowns, so they've got problem currently. Why teams in Betway Premiership, they can't capitalize? It's a question. They are no longer the same.
Yeah.
But why we don't give credit where it's due? Because look at their positioning at Betway Premiership. Today they just won 3-0.
Yeah.
You should do 2 games, they scored 5 goals against the Marquis. 2 games,
Yeah.
5 goals. Can you give them credit? They're not at their best, not fluid in today's game, but powerhouse. So, I want to a team that won so many Betway Premiership years and years. Everybody want to beat that team. Fana now we boxer, Shaban week in and week out.
Yeah.
Everybody magadlala now, he will make sure he's fit, he's ready. He will make sure good man be round the number 12. Uzo prepare until round number 13.
Yeah.
So all I'm saying, each and every team playing against Sundowns, they play block, especially these small teams. Even some big teams, we need to be on a space and a plane. Yeah. So Sundowns, they are no longer the same. I think there's a lot of different Sundowns last season before, but well done to them. Compliment. They score goals like Ezusho. Ikolabo lokuqala. I think Umrena mina was shooting there.
Yeah.
Bekuyibhola. Akusibhola edlaliwe la. It's a baller. A less of concentration from the defense.
Yes.
Yeah, I think bebafuna ukwenza offside trap there. But well done ukuthi basushele ibhola quick Sundowns. Umrena I think bekathi shooter. Well done to Kutlwana. Athi simcomplimente ngepositioning yamfana. To be there on the box central. Second goal. Well done Namasapa simshayile izandla which is Michel Caruso. Subs wakhe we talking about I think complimenting Obas did very well.
Ooh,
I'm not a fan, but
yes.
Obas compliment to the guy did very
Yes.
well to this game.
Yes.
He linked between defense and attack. Along my tight space, hardly lose the ball. He played varieties game. He played short, long, forward passes. If he's close, we'll dala wide, apindal support as well. Well done. Compliment also Alende. Lomfana Kutone Tlako had a brilliant game for me. Lomfana, I think Shanghai decision making. I think in the best Lomfana, decision making, technically very good, also decision making. We are born with a player, we are good development player. When Zumithogomning will have pushing Begaja and Kulmanga, sort of as number 10. Him and Salas, I think they were changing. Salas, not much of him. I think Naimela Lungi say he gonna be lazy nyana. Yes, Paul is improved, but gonna be lazy nyana lapa. I think he need to work in agency about the sense of agency. But well done to this guy Renas. He didn't talk chela on it. Among the Sundowns, they're gonna win the league. They've decided to go number 9 off. Number 9 off scored 2 goals today. The guy scoring week in and week out. And the one amount of decision good position. So making a decision on Munto Korela goal. It's not you're not gonna be charged by bullying there, chasing defenders, being between. No, honestly. So well done to Sundowns, but Makesi came to the party. John Matuki Pololas. I think he's a coach. It's a pity football become a business too. I need to be honest. They sign players before you. As a coach, they can announce you. Before Baga announce as a coach, they sign players. Also, within 5 games, you need to win 3. You throw 1, Trambuzu 1, probably. So always I think Kumchita Magangena 2 teams in Kulmangaburu Celtics, maybe team Langa to coach no Siema. Angega take credit because it was him and Siema. Guru whereby there was powers in terms of chairman. They invest a lot in football, Ngemali, and Maba invest a lot. You're going to be told, especially current directors. So I think Batipolelas look at the players they identify, the way team akidlalanga khona yambona ufuna team keep the ball and also create chances. Ngoba create 3. He's supposed to punish Sundowns. Malbonga cause I think you need to melalungisa reaction yakho mfana man. I love development players but you need to fix his reaction. That's why my coach amdlalisa central midfield.
Yeah, even namanje. I think igame izophela manje beseka lapha phambili lapha in the midfield kungene umvala. I want to say ku Obas mfana kithi. You know basazi bathi thina sa criticize. Boy, you're doing very well.
Yeah.
We were asking you, we were not killing you. We were asking you to say, sometimes ilbambi. Sometimes ilbambi fanagit. Not all the time manfika leyadlula. Sometimes ilbambi ujike ubheke space and then go forward. And that's what you did, my boy. Can you make Hugo Prosa part to a can at that midfield? You know, I want our midfielders to make it difficult for the Bafana coach to select you guys. Because you guys, you can do it. You've shown today that you can do it. Continue, my boy. We are not killing you. We're just saying, look, you are playing week in, week out. Can you add this in your game? And that's what we've added today. We've seen you. We're watching you now. You know, holding the ball, you know, passing, supporting, changing from the right to the left, from the left to the right, going forward also. That's very good. That's what we're asking from you. Let me say this. Mapena.
Mamela.
That's why ngithenga kafuna ukukhuluma sakhuluma ngamagoal.
Mamela ngeke ubuye njama unfortunately. Yeah.
That's why angifuna ukukhuluma ngezinye izinto. Ngizokhuluma egcineni.
So wena ukhuluma ngo Kaka. Ronaldinho.
Junior.
Sort of Messi. Andre Iniesta. Cause he brought uletha ama dimension. Lantwana le special.
Ubonile la touch ma first touch yakhe. Lapha elanini. Athi. Yes, Junior, I want to say this, and I'm not saying I'm from influencer coach. Yes, I love the boy. I love Masego. I love Lukaku. I love all of them. All Sundowns players, I love them because they play beautiful football.
Yeah.
But I'm saying at least, coach, please, coach, I'm begging you. Can you give him a chance? Just arrest Matthews. Just arrest Matthews maybe for 2-3 games, and then give Mapena just a chance. Start him and then let's see. Maybe the boy will grow. Yes, maybe he's going to make mistakes because football is a game of mistakes. He will make mistakes, but he will learn. But how is he going to learn if you are not giving him that opportunity to make mistakes and correct them? Please, I'm asking, coach. Just start the 3 of them up front there. Start them. You say Mabena on the left, and then you say Litlaku on the right, Masego on the right, Litlaku here behind, and then you leave Renas there. From there, just try it for once, coach. I'm asking. Just try them for once. You'll watch beautiful football and you will smile. You don't have to say anything.
But so, this modern football has killed this type of players. We need to be honest.
Yeah.
We can say as much as we want, but the modern football has killed this type of players. Yeah, no pena. There's many now. That's why starting on the bench. Baba is a main impact player. Coach my thinking any. It's a from Umfana. Not only at Sundowns. We're not talking about at Sundowns. I think Paris now, bana this thing which our police can track back. We have marker. The Sundowns who silent to Matthews can track back. Agananda about how many entry in the
box. Chiefs utuba banokufuna abuye lapha nako Chiefs. Nabo Lilope.
Compare utuba no Mapena.
No, essentially ukuthi abo coaches bafuna those players to track back. I'm not comparing players. I'm just saying ukuthi nako Chiefs abo Duba bayafuna babuye nabo Lilope.
No, apparently kwecho we South African football in the entire world. I'm not talking about South African football.
Yes.
The whole world. So I'm not saying players they must do whatever they want grounding. Football is more of a business, we understand. Coaches they get fired. But now just find a way. You accommodate these kids. I mean, we mina ngisasho namanje. I mean we have kunamaplayer njengabo Messi. I-Argentina bakwazi ukwa manager angazwe ngibamba in Brazil the manager bonima Mbappe at France baba manager. So we as South African we must find a way without those type of players too, because intwana njengale ulimazi nation. Because look at Mfukeng, we're all excited about the boy, and now we benefited in Kulmago Champions League. Now is signed Saudi Arabia. You understand? And the more we can have those players in Europe, the more national team coach are full of choice. Kulman experience international and stuff at a younger age. Kuba room for improvement. But now, if you're gonna have players and improve, we are a coach. Coaches they don't care to play 10 rows in a row. You understand, for themselves. I think it's about them. As Nishama coach, Joba Ngisho in modern football, he bullied those type of players. So
you know, Juna, I wanna leave our people with something to think about. Because when we talk about this modern football, that it kills certain positions like the brain of the team. So it seems like they kill Uguti, there must be a brain. I think they wanted to instill Uguti, everyone must have a brain to win the team, to win the game. But now I want to leave them with this thing that I'm going to say now. 1996, I was a young boy watching Bafana Bafana when they have won Africa Cup of Nations. In that team, we had the late Shoes Mushu. We had Dr. Kumalo. We had Philmon Masing. We had Umak Williams. 4 guys up front.
Midnight Express got left.
Yeah. If Ulontuzana is not in, because he came as a sub, Umak Williams, Magazokor, or Midnight Express or Helman Mkelele was on the right side.
Yes.
And then mind you, he had Olindab Telezi and Eric Tintler in the central midfield. So now I want to show people this. At that moment, you've got how many players that can mark? You've got the late Philmon Masinga, you've got Dr. Kumalo, you've got the late Shoes Mushu. 3 players. On top of that, you've got the late Usizom Taung that was going up, attacking. Again, Ulontuzana was going up, David Nyat. Sometimes, Mark Fish will also attack.
Central.
So why can't we learn from that to say This is how we can improve in our game in terms of having creativity, in terms of sacrifice certain position, but having players that are going to cover them so that we can get the best.
Technology. Ilento le yabo video session, which is, I don't have a problem. Video, I mean, football is demanding more. But true, so, Evan, it's a topic for another day.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I love this, and you are making a very strong point. We had skillful players who can score the goals.
Yes.
We had players
chances.
who can express themselves as well.
Yes.
So you are right, Mfenende. Baby, I mean, in today's game, nanamhla sakhuluma ngayo the class of 96. And there's nothing wrong about that because of they've done it. Akusukuthi theory or a poem and stuff. Yeah, so mfetnyabonga, yeah. No, we are proudly sponsors by Tiski TV. Tiski Jam, my Junior Kanye himself and Benedict Sovilagas. Namanje, on.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Tiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Tiski TV.